Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, I'm Raisa Salama from SMK Negeri 1 Kota Bekasi. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, in this video, I wanna give a tutorial on how to connect an Ubuntu VM to the internet using PNETLAB. Well, to do this activity, there are several software or applications needed, such as virtualization applications, VMware Player or VMware Workstations, ISO PNET, and Mozilla Firefox browser. Before entering the steps below, you have to import the PNET ISO into VMware Player or VMware Workstations first. Then the next step is to input the IP that you got after importing PNET, this IP, into Mozilla Firefox browser. If you have done the following steps, after that you can only follow the step as below. The first step is to log in to PNETLAB by using the default account by entering the username admin. And the password is you can using the PNET. Then the gacha code that have been given is like 39. Then click login. And next step is to download the Ubuntu server device by clicking the device menu, then clicking loading. Then clicking Ubuntu server 20.4 section. This like get device. Then wait until the download process is complete. Then, if it has been successfully downloaded, the words added to PNET will appear on the Ubuntu server 20.4 section. Okay. Then click the main menu and add new lab. It's like then click add. Okay, the next step is to add a new device by right-clicking on the workspace screen. Then select the node. Then select the Docker IO. Make sure in the image sections is becomes PNETLAB Ubuntu servlets. And for the name sections to Ubuntu server. The icon I wanna using is server.png. After setting the name, image, and icon, scroll down, then input Ethernet as needed. Hey, this is not. I'm sorry. Then do static on either one, static IP. For either one, enter the IP address which is the same network as the physical computer you are using. And for Ether 2 is optional IP. Then input the default route IP. The IP default route is the gateway from Ether 1. And the DNS IP is 8. Select leave it by default Telnet. The primary console I using Telnet. After that, click Save. The next step is to add a cloud device by right-clicking on the workspace, then click Network. After that is the name or prefix is use Internet. The type is Management Cloud. After that, click Save. Next is to connect the Ubuntu server device to the internet by using the Ether1 interface or as needed. Wait. Okay, choose interface for Ubuntu server. I'm using Ether1. The next step is to run the Ubuntu server device by clicking on the green side above the device. Then if the device is active, it can be confirmed by seeing the green triangle sign below the device. Okay, like this. Then you can testing the Ubuntu server. Make sure that the Ubuntu server device has got an IP address according to the one that was static in the previous configurations, which can be checked using the ifconfig one. Yeah, like this. And checking ifconfig eth2. Then do a test on the Ubuntu server device whether it is connected to the internet network or not by using the ping 8888 and ping google.com. If the result is a reply, it can be ascertained that the Ubuntu server device is connected to the internet network. Okay, thank you.